cheese and a large diet cake because I'm watching my weight. 1, 2, 3, go.
Don't jump there.
Just sit down and enjoy this shit.
It starts off just so easily, you know.
No.
You can do it, Katie. Come on. P and no.
Don't throw chips there. That's embarrassing.
Do you want some chips?
Just to wash it all down with.
Come on, power through.
Sorry,
What is this?
come on.
Why am I boosting it out? This dude would have done fucking 4 by now. That's all good. You got this.
Keep eating.
One down.
Boom. What up?
I want an action shot with you with a hamburger in your hand. That's my new profile picture.
Oh, you're doing well. You got the timer going, eh, so?
Yeah.
Does she look?
I'm trying to as well. Although I started that one. So, I don't know. My mum always told me not to talk with my mouth on.
What was that?
Her mum always told her not to talk. Eat.
Eat with her.
Talk.
Yeah.
Talk with her mouth open.
Yeah.
With
Talk
my
while
full.
she's eating.
Talk your mouth full, that's the
Yeah, talk with
one.
your mouth. Fuck. Way to go, guys. We got that.
Collectively, you're as smart as one person.
Derp.
I'm doing it in
Put
proud.
gas and stuff at the back of my throat.
Imagine if I chucked in a cheeseburger.
Oh, my camera's so slow.
You're gonna have to double your training. With
Memory full! Right. Those have got to be deleted for this.
This takes precedence.
Give her some of the boring ones of food or something.
Yeah.
No one wants to see what Gary.
Does someone have a napkin?
Give a. Is that paper towel?
I'll get some paper towels for you.
You say pretty good.
Well, I don't know. Maybe this could be an aid. Don't know if we can really count this if you're going to have a paper towel. Yeah, I'll give you another one just in case.
Smashing them, Kate.
This one's poorly made.
I don't think he
I
had
hate that we
time
have a
to
wonky
give
burger.
a flying fuck when he got to the 5th one.
No, this is a
Really
full.
Oh, you've got to eat any of the stuff you leave in the wrapper.
It's salad.
Dropping my salad.
Alright, so just start dropping bits of the patty off. The burger. Just leave it, just wrap it up. That's cheating.
You guys didn't have to do it with salad, okay?
Wow, lettuce. Not that any of the McDonald's lettuce is any good.
It's just, yeah, it really isn't. Oh, don't slow it down.
My jaw hurts.
We're at 4 minutes 40.
Action shot. It's crazy that guy had already finished 2 minutes ago.
Mm.
Yeah, fuck off.
Come on, keep going. You've done 4 in 4 minutes.
No.
How you feel?
If we chant Kate versus food, like they're doing man versus food, would that help you?
How you feeling? You're just about to get
Just take
halfway.
every one you have. Oh, that's a lot of mayo.
I'm getting the food sweats, guys.
Just think.
Not
This
that,
is a-
though. You're gonna let mayo all over your face.
Just think of it as a pasta bake that you're about to demolish.
Diamond.
Your mom's gonna be so proud.
Mummy.
My mum introduces me to her friends as her son.
My dad does
I like
that
this
as
very
well.
much.
Yeah, I know
I've got a
exactly
lot
how
of
you
mayo
feel.
in
I
it.
was used as a daughter. Not.
This is Simon, my youngest daughter.
Yeah, this is Simon, my youngest daughter. This is Rob, my youngest daughter. Because we're so feminine.
Oh.
Right, halfway. Halfway at 6 minutes. You are a piece of piss.
She's doing better than I thought.
She is. They make you fucking. Ooh, getting
Oh,
all
God,
mayo.
man. Yeah, get some more mayo on there.
Maybe
Maybe
out
the
the
mayo-
best foods, man.
Maybe the mayo helps it go down.
How you feeling?
Okay.
Good.
It's good to hear. She's only feeling okay.
I love that. Okay, 4 burgers to go and she's only feeling like, okay, that's... Well, technically
What
5.
the fuck? Yeah, what was it? Oh, she just started.
She'll finish this one easy, and then I think the next one she's going to start feeling it.
Calm down, man. I haven't even finished my chips
My
yet.
jaw hurts.
Mm.
Derek,
I mean, fuck, I'm having
Derek ate 9.
I'm having a medium bag of chips and you've had fucking 6 burgers already. Chill out.
Keep going.
Derek ate 9 cheeseburgers in 9 minutes or something, and then he spent 20,
Look how easy that looks now, just
20
saying.
minutes on the last one. That's just one meal.
So doable, you can do that. Have you tried this yet? Have you tried it?
No, I know I couldn't. I don't really like cheeseburgers in the first place. And I eat 2 hamburgers and I literally can't stand them. I think McDonald's is disgusting.
You're so wrong. Go sit in the other room.
Alright. I might need
I
a little
guess-
bit of a break in a bit. Fuck.
Oh, that's gonna be the start.
No,
this is
no,
the
don't
start
do it,
of
don't do it. No, have your 7th one, then have a break.
It's because I'm not full.
No, don't hit the wall! Don't hit the
No, I'm
wall!
not full. It's
Don't-
the sickness.
Don't spend too much time talking, okay?
Don't think about it, power through. Don't hesitate.
Yeah, if you start talking yourself out of it and I need a break, that's when you start going, oh, it's so much easier just to stop. I never used to eat McDonald's burgers at all. I just go there and get the fries up until the age of about
Okay.
10.
Piece of piss cake.
4 more. Well, how many minutes have you got left?
She's got
9. I've done it in 9 minutes. I've got 30 minutes to do it in.
You got 21
Well-
minutes to finish 4 burgers.
You can do that.
She's got a bit more. She's got like 22. And that does count.
Don't worry, there's not that many burgers left. It's all good.
I can puke when I'm done. I can puke when I'm done. I'm so glad you
Sorry
guys
for
got
the
food as well.
giggles. I can't open my ketchup. I'm having issues over here. This is really hard.
You know what? The breadcrumbs are
Fast
hard.
food problems.
Actually,
Do you want help?
yes, please.
You goon.
Oh, that's gonna go everywhere.
No, I got it.
See, it's got issues.
Ketchup is my bomb. Oh, and it came all over my
Thank you.
finger.
Sure it did.
Like I said, the chips was my thing. I used to just go get a large fries, and that was it. We ate, like every Friday we had takeaways.
Mm.
as like kids.
Yeah, definitely not going out after this.
What? You feel amazing.
My stomach's stretching a little. Nothing I can't handle.
You should have the pasta bake for breakfast. Just train yourself up.
It's the wrappers from this angle, like looking at all the wrappers on the table. It's like spread out in front of you.
No time to look at photos, eat.
You know, just like chilling out, having a conversation, make it a bit more casual.
Nothing casual.
There's
about
nothing
10
casual about the
cheeseburgers.
10 burger challenge.
She's making it look pretty cash. She's doing well.
At least you're not eating.
She's beating you.
Well, yeah, you just did.
No, she had 7. That's her 7th.
Yeah.
You only
Well,
did
she
6
hasn't
and a
finished
half.
it yet. She hasn't finished it yet. Ooh.
3 to go. That's just one Big Mac.
Is there 3 in a Big Mac? There's only 2.
They're really sickly, though. That's the thing.
Oh my god! I wish I had sound on my video at the moment.
Don't worry, this one's got sound.
That was impressive, Kate.
That one's gonna be my new ringtone.
Are you recording it on your
It's on here.
laptop?
I'll just cut it out of the sound.
Hi guys, anyone who want to date me?
Put this up on your. Put
available
this up
for
on a date.
dates.
Yeah,
It's
put
like
this
that
up on a
snot
dating
Mario
website, yeah.
void.
God, name off.
Definitely married.
Take that one because she'll definitely be able to finish your meal if you can't.
How you feeling?
A little bit worse.
It's fine, you've only got 2 more, you're basically done.
No, I'm in fucking 12 minutes. It's
You're fine.
It's starting to taste not as good now, though.
The pace dropped.
Aw, it might put you off them for a while.
The pace just dropped so much, so quickly.
Yeah, but that's what my game plan was, to eat the first bunch really quickly and then
Do you reckon the lettuce helps? It doesn't. Probably doesn't, no.
no.
Might give you a bit of water.
Yeah, but you got. I think the Coke helps a lot. The breadcrumbs I find are really hard.
God, there's more chips than I remember with McDonald's.
I'm sorry, I'm eating 10 burgers here and Charlie's complaining that there's a lot of chips here.
Having problems with my ketchup and too many chips.
The new challenge. McDonald's chips.
Just finishing the chips is hard enough.
One whole large fries.
Big bites, big bites. I think you should go on Man vs Food Nation.
KateVfood. Man, I'm going to make millions.
I'm just gonna take
Just
my
sit in
nice
front of your
drink
laptop. Today,
water
I'm
in
going to
there.
eat this much. Look at my pasta bake. I'm going to eat this.
I think I burped out as well.
Release all the stuff in your stomach.
The time's gonna start slowly slipping away because you're just taking so much longer with these burgers.
I've got another 15 minutes. I've got half the time left. Eat 2 burgers. If I can't finish it, I'm going to be so disappointed in myself. Just think, I can puke. As soon as I finish, I can puke.
Big bites. Keep going. It's like when you get made a roast by your nan, it starts to go dry in your mouth. You just like try to drink to make it go down.
It's nothing worse than a dry roast.
Yeah.
Especially roast beef.
Roast beef, dried
That's
beef.
what I'm thinking. Like literally visualise that in my head.
God.
Come on.
If you go to a lot of shitty pubs, you just get the worst, eh? Oh god, I said it again.
Hurry up.
Taking a while with that burger.
This burger's like the longest one. You can do it.
I don't think I'd feel sick. I just thought I'd feel full.
I didn't feel full. I felt sick. It was like, well, it was a bit of both. I felt full, but it was mainly sick. Yeah, it wasn't being full, because 6.5 cheeseburgers isn't like, well, it's a lot of food, but it's not a huge amount.
See, in
Just
small
tasted
doses,
so
McDonald's is
disgusting.
okay, but in large doses, McDonald's is just too much shit for your
Too much
body to
processed,
process.
shitty food.
I'm either
Come
gonna.
on, 2 more.
Yeah, I won't say it when the camera's running.
What were you gonna say?
What are you going to say, Kate?
No, yeah, that's fair enough.
Strong Mario avoid.
Good thing we're
Avoid.
not home.
Right now, I'm definitely on a void.
Oh no, my burger's falling to pieces. How have I made such a mess of this meal?
Do you want one of mine?
No, you've got to finish them.
Okay.
What order did it go in?
Come on, 2 to go.
It says
You've got to like
17
speed it
minutes.
up. Speed it up.
17 minutes. Okay,
So you're on like
I'm going to have a 3-minute break.
No, don't do it.
Yeah.
Don't do it because that last one took 5 minutes.
I've got, this one says I've got 12,
Don't do
No,
it.
I've got-
Keep going.
literally 13 minutes left.
Keep going.
I'm just going to have a little break.
It'll catch up with you.
Yeah.
You think about like your stomach and how much you have to eat in the first whatever minutes. 20 minutes.
People that eat really quickly, they don't realise they're full until they've had far too much.
Yeah.
Keep going.
Because
I'd start eating while you.
it takes like a good 20 minutes for your stomach to send the message to your brain to tell you that there's... I want to do another burp. Like a really big one. Oh shit.
Whack yourself on the back. Burp yourself like a baby.
I love how this is on video.
You can hear my cat in the background the whole time.
Boom!
2
Oh
to
my
go.
god, look at the baby kangaroo.
It looks like a rat with really long legs.
It does. She showed me
And bigger
that
ears,
one,
but you know. Bigger bites.
Yeah, you're wolfing down the first one. These are like micro bites.
It's because I've had 8!
She's more of a man than you are.
Okay.
Well, I'll still beat all the other girls, you know. So,
Mhm.
fuck them bitches.
Girl power. That's what you call a swimmer's appetite. It's embarrassing when you go out for a meal with a guy and they can't eat as much as you, though. Embarrassing for them, obviously, not for you.
Obviously.
Yeah, I've gone out with
Keep
loads of
going,
people.
come on.
Well, you're running out of time. It's only 10 minutes.
Where's the timer?
It's down there. That's a bit.
19
that's a bit
minutes.
more than it is because she's started recording on that.
You got 10 minutes left.
Come on! Keep going.
Fail. I want my $28 bit.
Guys, just have faith in me.
Slightly worrying that I'm probably going to finish my Big Mac meal in the time she's finishing 10 burgers.
Just how I do an average day at the
Big
office.
I thought you didn't like that drink.
Yeah. I don't know. It's,
don't like 10 cheeseburgers, but
Not cheeseburgers. The McChickens. Or chicken mayos.
chicken mayos with cheese.
Sorry.
I was like, "Can I have a $2 chicken mayo?"
Yeah.
Yeah. Can I have cheese in it? Yeah. We like 50% extra. Can I have 10 of them?
Best way to word it. I think it's just, and the guy that's putting them together, I had to like tell him like, yeah, no, you got to make 10,
10 with
mate.
cheese.
10 with cheese.
My friend just commented on the picture I put up of you saying like 2 to go. He goes, "Was this the result of a drunken bet?" I was just like, "No, we're
Stone
sober."
cold sober. Made the bet whilst we were watching Mean Girls.
Yeah.
God, we're cool.
Watching Lindsay Lohan.
I might have had the munchies though. So.
God, we're cool.
Hopefully, the notebook comes up.
I haven't seen that movie in so long.
Don't worry, I've got it on my computer, mate. We can all just sit here and cry for the rest of the
watch
evening.
Lion King. Or Aladdin.
No, that's not what. Come on, keep going. don't pause.
You guys really-
keep going.
Yeah, you can't entertain plans.
That's 2 bites. Oh no, you made it into 3. Come on. That's 2 bites left.
You guys really missed out on Silver Linings Playbook. That was
What's
that was a tearjerker.
I don't want soppy stuff.
We just
I was shooting in the advert. No, I didn't know that I'd seen the advert until he went in the dance studio and he goes, "This is my friend," with an F.
Yeah.
You've seen that bit on the advert before.
I don't get it.
I wouldn't use
It's
that
in
for
the-
whole drink there.
Oh no, I can't. What, can I not have another drink?
Have you ever seen Pulp
No.
Fiction?
Yeah.
Why? My friend said whenever I have a cheeseburger, I have flashbacks to Pulp Fiction.
It's because when they're in the diner.
Is that a
It's,
good or a bad thing?
Yeah,
No, it's good. It's because John Travolta's like.
this
Mention it.
is a tasty burger.
Actually, yeah, no, it's similar to it.
How much longer has she got?
8
8 minutes. Come on, Casey. That burger's going to be like such a long burger.
I'm gonna have nightmares tonight.
I actually, sometimes when I sit watching Man vs. Food, I'm like, this is what I'm like right now.
I think we should watch a bit of Man vs. Food after this.
It's tense. You should have watched it first to pump yourself up.
Or watch it after and then make yourself throw up.
yeah. Or watch like the most disgusting, greasiest one possible.
Texas.
My friend Kirsty commented saying, "What a woman."
Thanks, Dave. Doing this for all you women out there.
All you women that want to be able to have 10 cheeseburgers but can't.
Because you think you're going to get judged?
I'll be the independent woman that'll do it. Don't worry, you've only got 7 minutes left to finish 1 and a bit burgers.
I'm impressed you got this far.
You're gonna finish it.
If you can beat 29 minutes, then you beat our giant moldy friend, and that's a good feat.
That was really pretty.
I was like,
Come on,
eat a
like-
smile and get like food in my mouth.
You're gonna have 5 minutes to do that last one. You're gonna have to pick up the pace. I'm gonna be here to motivate you. It's okay. We're gonna get through this together.
Well, you can cruise along. It's all good.
Drop off.
6.
I'll try and finish my milkshake at the same time you finish.
We get there at the same time. High five.
Fuck. Last
Wait,
one.
come on.
6 minutes. Winnie
Look, move out of the way. I've just got one burger. It's just one burger, guys. Just one burger. I can handle one burger. It's the last 5 minutes on the netball court. Last push. All out, girls. All out.
Eat the bloody burger.
Yes.
Come on.
It's the last 200.
Just go. Eat it. Stop talking. Do it. Otherwise you'll be talking about it all night. Big bites.
Should have made the last one the big one. Should have like stuck in the gut and make the last one a McChicken.
Oh, fuck.
That looks so sparse compared to the other ones.
Yeah.
Empty plate. Not going to take now. No way. Very impressed.
Okay.
How long she got?
I put my hands up. It's a lot harder than I thought.
Fucking hell, this
But she's gonna do it.
piece of
Five.
piss.
5 minutes to go.
One burger. I'm better than you.
Better than your processed AS.
What's annoying is about that I've only got a tiny bit of drink left. I didn't know I couldn't get more.
4 minutes.
That's not right, bro.
I can puke when I'm done.
You did the first 5 so quickly. I was impressed.
Everyone always does.
Okay, seriously, you need to pick up pace. You've got 3.5 minutes. Okay, if you literally are on the last one and you don't finish it in time, I'm gonna slap you. You need to eat this faster. Just shove it all in like he did and swallow it. You've got 3.5 minutes.
You can't. You can't.
Well,
You
if I just
literally
give you a
can't get it.
reassuring prod in the stomach, just to...
Fuck off, that's not fair.
You need to swallow it all as well. You can't be chewing at the end. You have to.
Oh, shit.
Oh, that's a big
Oh!
bite. That's a lot of the burger in the mouth right now. That's going to be a minute of chewing.
Get it down.
Try and wash it down with that tiny bit of drink you've got left. I'd save it for the last few
You've got to do it
bites.
3 minutes.
I've got a tiny bit left. It'll keep me going.
Oh, this is getting down to the wire.
And at the end, you go,
2.5 minutes.
This might finally put me off drunk food for a while.
Bullshit.
Tomorrow should be back and getting 5.
Subway?
I enjoyed the first 5, so I may as well do it
Subway,
again.
not junk food.
Here it is.
Just think of this as the meal to
Come
prep
on.
yourself for the pasta bake tomorrow.
2 minutes.
This is gonna be.
I know,
This
it's
is
really
gonna be
intense.
This is gonna be really close.
Just wolf
Yeah,
that
but-
last bite down.
Man, B-Food always does it close. So that, you know, it's a TV program.
He doesn't talk so casually whilst he's doing it.
He does. He tells the camera how good it tastes and all the different flavours.
He's got
and-
like 5 words for how good it tastes. I just really love how the flavours just come together.
You got 1.5
Different types of
minutes.
Saturated
Yeah.
fat just come together with the grease and just
Melt.
get in my mouth.
Melt together.
Melt.
1.5 minutes to go. Can she get it down?
Just so you know, that's the most unattractive photo ever. Look.
New profile
Don't show me
picture.
that food. Not on my face.
Oh. Oh.
Get those bits of lettuce.
Fuck off.
Yay! Done.